Hey guys, welcome back. I am Raviteja, and in our today's session we are going to discuss about variables and types. So what are these variables and types? Variables are used for declarations and types means data types, which is number, string, boolean, void, null and undefined. And we have three different types of variables. Those are var, let and constant. So let's deeply discuss about these variables and types. Before getting to topic, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe to get more video updates like this. So let's get into topic. In these three variables, var is a function scoped variable and let, constant are block scoped variables. And you can declare a global scope variable using var if you declare it outside of the class. Coming to types, we have any type also in TypeScript. Any type is a super type of all variables. It is a dynamic type and it can accept any data type, like it can be number or string or boolean, or it can be null. Coming to number, you can store integers and fractions into it, and string, you can store Unicode characters into it. Boolean represents logical values like true or false, and void is used for function return types. If you're not returning anything on the function, you can use void. And null is representation of absence of an object value. It is an intentional absence of an object value. Like if you're not initializing anything on the declaration, like variable declaration, you can use null to initialize that. And undefined, if you're not initializing anything for a declaration, it will be treated as undefined. Let's practically check how these variables can be declared and how different types can be assigned into it. For that, I have created one file naming second.ts, and I want to create a couple of variables like number, string and boolean, also fraction. So for that, you need to give first which type of variable it is. So I want to create var type of variable. That's why I give a var and name of your variable, and this is num1 is the name of that variable, and after that you need to add colon and type of your variable, and you can initialize value into it. The same way you can declare a string, and this is the type of your variable, and you can initialize some value into it. And this is a boolean, this is the type of boolean, and I'm assigning true into it. And now I want to create a fraction. For that, I need to assign a number type into it, and I'm initializing some value into it. So number can accept integer and fraction. So this is the way how we declare a variable and how we assign type into it and how we initialize values into it. So let's see how any type is used. For that, I want to create a type of variable with any type. I'm giving the name as any type, and this is the type of your variable, any type. First time I want to initialize with integer. After that, I want to change into string, and after that you can change into boolean, and after that you can change into fraction. So it is accepting any type of data. Now I just want to check how it is working. For that, I'm just printing them in console by using console.log. So now let's compile this file and check this result. To compile this TypeScript file, start typing tsc and file name .ts. it will compile into JavaScript file. Once the compilation is completed, start typing node space second.js. You can see that result is coming. So you can see that it is printing 5 welcome, true, 1.5 and 0.4 because the first initialization is integer, 5 welcome, true, 1.5, and our any type final initialization is fraction. That's why it is printing fraction. So let's check how this is void and undefined can be used. For that, I want to create a function. To create a function in TypeScript, you need to add a keyword, that is function, and you need to add a name of function that I'm going to give fn first. So this is how we create a function in TypeScript. But I don't want to return anything on this function. For that, we can add void into it. So this is the way we add void into function, and it represents that function is not returning anything. But what if I want to return something on this function like a number? You can just write a number return type into it, but it is showing error. A function whose declared type is neither void nor any must return a value. It is expecting something to return on this function, but I am not returning anything. So for that, I just want to return a number, that is 5. Now you can see that error is resolved. So this is how we use void, and let's see how undefined is used. For suppose I want to create a variable with name un undefined var. So now it is a number variable, but I am not initializing anything into it. So let's print and check this, what it is printing. For that, I want to add console.log, and I want to print this undefined var. Now let's compile and check this. So it will compile that into JavaScript file. So now we have completed compilation, and now I want to see that what it is printing. So you can see that it is printing undefined. So whenever you are not initializing anything to variable declaration, it will be treated as undefined. Now let's see what are these let and constant variables. Those are block scoped variables. To declare let variables, start typing let and space name of the let variable and type of this let variable, and you can initialize something into it. And constant, start with const and space name of this variable and type of this variable. But now let's see what is the difference between var and let. So let's see, I want to initialize this var before declaration. I can do that because it is function scoped variable. So it is accepting to initialize before declaration, but let will not accept that initialization before declaration. You can see that it is showing error, that is block scoped variable let1 used before its declaration. And now let's see constant. This you cannot reinitialize once initialized. You can see that it is showing error, cannot assign to constant 1 because it is a constant. Also, constant variables need to be initialized while declaration. and this is how we declare let and constant. Thanks for watching my video, and please put your comments in the comment section, and please subscribe, like and share my video.